All right, guys, first day here in Colorado skiing at Breckenridge. Right now we're just riding up the T-bar. Definitely a little bit of a windy day. Anyways, we'll see you at the top. Wow. It's pretty windy up here today. We are at the top of the T-bar. Gotta go drop a line and drop the cliff. At the cliff, it's kind of hard to tell, but that's like 12 feet, that rock. Okay, drop. It ain't nap time. Well, just ate some lunch.
Yes, sir.
It's like 11,000 feet right now. So far it's been an awesome day. The snow's been actually surprisingly good. Find a few fresh spots here and there. I think we're gonna head up to the T-bar again after this, so we'll see you up there.
T-bar is the best spot. No cap. Push terrain off the T-bar. Don't go to the T-bar.
I just finished the day at Breckenridge. Super fun. It was an awesome day. We got some really good skiing, some really good snowboarding, finned in an awesome cliff drop. It was a super fun day. Now we're just riding down and
Drinking water.
Yeah, we both are gonna drink a lot of water.
Yeah, it's 12,000.
And now we're stuck in the gondola. Easily the highest elevation skiing I've ever done. I mean, we were at usually 12,000, 11,000 feet. So pretty crazy, but overall, awesome day. So.
It's gonna make it look bigger. The
The
GoPro,
GoPro
or the camera. This is like what we were staying at Whistler. Yo, they got a hot tub? Wait, do we have a hot tub?